Okay, now family, right in your face. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table to your palate. Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods, what up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Your girl, Debbie from down a yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. And if you're new right on over here, we always extend a special welcome to you. And we thank you so very much. Those of you who are there with me from the beginning of the journey, and you know yourself, I, Diane Miller, a long time you there, you know, big up yourself, manners and respect. Now today, we're just going to be sharing with you something simple. I want to ask you, how many times for the month you spend money on takeout? How many times you spend money? Takeout, we like a little takeout sometimes, mostly on Fridays. But I want to show you today how you can just in a jiffy, you can just whip up, you know, a nice little takeout at home. And so we are going to be showing you today, we're going to be sharing with you today how to do a little quick chicken stir fry. Now chicken stir fry, it's like just stir fry chicken. You know, you cut your chicken in this, you know, and it's boneless, skinless chicken breast. You can use thighs too, but the breast is more, you know, it's more firmer. You know, so I always use the thighs. The breast, I'm sorry. So you want to do your chicken in, and dice it, or you can also do it in long, thin strips. Now, it is stir-fried chicken mixed with some veggies. Everything is stir-fried. So I want to demonstrate to you how you can go about doing it. Now, this stir-fried chicken stir-fry can be used with various types of vegetable. So what I'm using today, I'm using some carrots, and cut your carrots that they can be cooked easily. Remember our last video, our second to last video, we did a stir fry, so they'll be easily cooked. And also, it's not supposed to be soggy, it must be crunchy. You know, from your stir fry, can't be soggy. We have some red onions, and you cut them in, you know, pieces like these. And we have some red and green bell peppers, and we're going to be using some fresh corn from the cob. That is going to make a difference as opposed to tin corn. And sometimes the tin corn, they're not going so right, especially the brand. Now what we're going to do, we want to put our chicken together. Most people would use some like cornstarch. I'm not using cornstarch, I'm going to be using a little baking powder. Some people say baking soda, but look here, me know say a baking powder back in the days when you want tenderize something. Baking powder, like if the piece tough and so on the meat, my mother would have put some baking powder. But some people say baking soda, but to each his own. But remember, if you're using baking soda is salty. Okay, so we have put both, like this is like a pound and a little of chicken breast. So we are gonna be putting about a teaspoon of baking soda. We don't want more than that. We don't want to put too much. When we cook it, it's tea and it pan with tea. So we're gonna be using this, and look at it. You're gonna use it to sort of tenderize the chicken. So if you have a little milk, but I don't have any milk, Debbie, you don't have no milk in your house. I Jamaica, this, you know, think easy. I haven't got milk, but if you have milk, use a little milk. So I don't have milk, so I'm going to be using like that of water, because the milk and the baking powder together, we want to get that soft. Look at it. You want to get that set, you know, because if you want to use cornstarch too, you can, because it is supposed to have that sort of nice, you know, juiciness, fluffiness. It's supposed to be tender. So I've used a little baking powder, but I say, if you have milk, you could mix the milk. Just a tablespoon or two of milk with the baking powder. Or if you want to use your cornstarch, go ahead and use your cornstarch. Now to this, I'm going to be putting a little soy sauce. Not a lot, because we don't want the chicken come too dark. It's not supposed to be too dark. So you've got to limit yourself. These measurements are so minimal. People say, Miss Debbie, oh, you don't put no measurements. Some of these measurements, they are so minimal. But I'll try my best. We don't want to get it too dark, you know. So let us see what is happening. Papa Jesus, I hope we're not going too dark. I don't think we are too dark. I think this is good. Yeah, man, this is good. My soy sauce that I'm using is really strong enough, family. So you want a little thing look like this. I'm not using salt right now because the soy salt, you know, soy sauce has salt. So look at it. When you rub it up, you want it to have the nice little look here and all of that. Okay. When I have deboned my chicken breast. So if you do yours, when you're through and you have these, you can freeze them. For when you have a certain amount, you can make chicken stock or chicken broth. I still have that video to do for you. I still have that video to show or to share with you. Now, we have here about a tablespoon of chopped garlic and chopped ginger. This is what you are going to use to start to flavor the oil. Chopped garlic and chopped ginger. So you put it in. Remember, it is stir fry, so you must be at your highest. Okay. So I think I'm gonna put it hotter than that. You're to use a skillet or a wok. If you have a wok, you use your wok. So we are going on high heat right now. Whilst this is doing, this chicken is still getting a little time to, you know, get a little tender, a little more tender. You see it? It is getting a little more tender whilst this is happening on the high heat, and we are going to be sauteing this thing up. But listen to me now. You are on high heat. Try to remember the bottom of my thing, it is thick. If you're on something thinner, you have got to stick around. You can't let this garlic and this ginger burn. You have got to saute it off to a certain level just to flavor the oil, not for it to burn. Because when you put, whilst doing it, it will, at this point, at this stage, it will be easy to burn. So you have to have something swirling it around. But when the chicken goes in there, it will burn less. It will have a less chance of burning. So at this point, you have got to be real active inside your skillet or your wok, because this is not frying, this is just flavoring the oil. And let me tell you something, family. All of you know about cooking, and if you were, well, you would have known the flavor that is coming from this oil with this ginger and this garlic. Who could tell me some enough to go herbsy? Yeah, herbs all the way. Now you can put your chicken in really gently. At this point, you come down low. Remember, your oil is hot, so you don't hold your hand up, or you will get damaged, you will get burned. I eat, and you start to get this chicken right in with this garlic and this ginger. Now, whilst we're doing that on the I eat, you see, this is the right color we wanted the chicken. This will not take long to cook, because we're not going to cook this chicken until them come dry out and barky and taste like brillo pad. No. So, you want to keep it in there. We're going to cook it. Now, you want to look at the proportion of the veggies that you have. Look at your chicken, and you have got to make a judgment on your own now. How much, if this is okay, and to me I think this is okay. When your chicken stir fries is through, you're to see your veggies and you're to see chicken. You know, once this is source of veggie, and you wonder what happened to the chicken, because the proportion wasn't right. So you need to make that little judgment on your home. Now I have got right here some basil. At this point, I am just pinching them up. Should have been cutting, but you can just pinch it up fine. I'm using some basil. Same camera girl to shop, family, but she never get the right. These were like they were gonna dry. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep them and get them dehydrating, and I have some dried basil. So I've been using no thyme or rosemary. I'm using some basil. And let me tell you something. This flavor now, it turned gone up altogether. Can you tell me something about basil, ginger, and garlic together, family? All you who cook a lot, mix and match, play around with flavors, and all of them something. Tell me something about green basil, ginger, and garlic. So look here, we're gonna go now quite busily, and we're gonna get this stir off. So what at this point now, you can come down to about medium to give this uncovered some time to cook. Now we're gonna be leaving this constantly stirring because we don't want the garlic to get burned and all of them something. So we carry it down to medium, or probably a little less than medium, to give this some time. Turning over. This should not take more than about 7 to 8 minutes. Now we have right here some fresh corn on the cob. Okay, so I'll not be using all of it. I'm just gonna be just cutting down some, and I hope them stay when we're ready to pick them up. Me can't find them, so I'll probably be using about that, you know, to cut your corn on the cob. So we're gonna be using this. So we have it right there all cut. We're gonna get it together. We're gonna go now, get this thing all ready to cook off, and when we return, we'll show you how, at what interval we'll be putting in each of these veggies and our corn. And we have got to make a simple little sauce at the end of it to pour on it to keep it moist for serving. We want to put a little parsley, and we also want to add a little pepper flakes, but we'll be a little paprika, I'm sorry. So we'll be showing you how we'll be doing that when we return. This dish is so easy. Soon come. Okay family, our chicken is ready, and I want you to look at it. You must have it like this when it's through. You don't want to have it more dry. You don't want to overcook it. It must be nice and soft and juicy. This is how you see it's cooked. There's no blood in there. Now in this same skillet, we turned our heat down for the purpose of the camera. So we're gonna get our flame right back up. And the very first thing we're gonna be putting inside here is the carrots. Right up with the carrots. We are also gonna be putting in this corn, because the corn and the carrot is at the same consistency right now. You know, the two of them can go in together because it's not cooked corn. It's not tin. You know, the one in the tin is cooked. So we're putting in our corn at this point. So look at this. I eat, and camera girl is eating chicken right behind the camera because the chicken is right in her face. Her eat is back up, so you can cut your carrots. Look at this. You can cut them in some diagonal. Cut them to suit you. Be creative in your kitchen. Be creative with your dishes and enjoy your cooking. Enjoy your kitchen, family. Be creative. So we are stirring off these. We can put in these onions. The peppers, as I told you, they are the last to go in. And I eat. So I put in these onions. You can use your white onion or your yellow onions or gold onion. But I'm putting in these red onions. I'm looking a little color. So look at this. Let us go now. And we are going to be coming over here whilst we're watching this. We want to go now. Look at the beauty. Look at the... And it's going to get a little popping because of the corn. Because you know popcorn. Yeah, Lord of mercy, popcorn. Whether singer or corn to eat. Okay? That is happening right there. Right here now, we are going to be putting in our scallions. I might not use all of this, but I would like to get most of the green part. And you know, so all of the flavors them there. Notice I didn't flavor the oil with the scallions this time. Yeah. Scallions in and flavor fit kill. Look at the carrot. You see those colors coming out? Look at the corn, the onion. So we have to get busy as so now, you know. Because look here. You can't too leave this, you know, because you know what will happen? The scallions will burn. So, peppers. Time for your peppers. Look at the beauty. This is just so easy. You can just come from work and you can do this. And somebody, as I told you, we're talking about prepping. I'm going to be doing some prepping videos. I'm not sure if I can get them in for the holiday family, but I'll try to do them and save them. And probably I'll try to do a few. Now you want to put your chicken back in with this nice moisture. Constantly stirring around. Remember, it's stir fried. You don't want to get too soggy and pop down, pop down. And water, there no water is not supposed to be in there. Okay. Now I'm going to be putting in a little of my pepper flakes, not a lot, so we don't want it too hot here. Just bless it with a little bit of your parsley, not a lot. Sorry, I'm keep saying for your paprika. What is happening, y'all? Just bless it, just a little blessing with your paprika, not a lot. Right now, you also want to put a little Worcestershire. Don't go too much. You want to put a little oyster sauce. We can down our flame a bit. A little oyster sauce. This will do with salt for salt flavoring. This will do for the salt. So we don't want no salt in that, you know. Because I'm a blood pressure alert with that pan, you know. Not at all. So you can come down, constantly stirring around. Constantly stirring around. Our heat is down. So look here now. Now that our heat is down, this is fairly ready. We're going to turn it off. And now that we have turned it off, we're going to leave it to come to rest for about 3 minutes. When we return, we'll be plating this thing. And you should see the finished product. Look at the veggies. Look at the color. Look at the color of your chicken. Not too dark, not too white. And all of that. Chicken stir fry. And somebody's going to say, Miss Debbie, well, 99% supposed to know. You just serve this up with a little white rice or some pasta. That's good. Okay? Yeah. And you know. Okay, now family, right in your face. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your palate, and most of all to your stomach. It's chicken stir fry done in a jiffy. You saw me, I did it from scratch. Please do enjoy. Please do enjoy. Please save it for your holiday table. Okay, so quick, so easy, so efficient. And as I said to you before, use your vegetable of choice. Not leafy vegetables. Not leafy vegetables. Use your veggie of choice. And your stir fry must have a little sheen. Enough of water and pop down and full of woolly pecan starch and everything stick together and like a sticky chicken. No. Okay, please do enjoy once more. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Remember to leave your comments below. When you do subscribe, in order for you to be a member of the post notification crew, all you have got to do, subscribe, hit the bell. Therefore, when we have uploaded a video, your notification will go off, and as soon as you say something in the comment section, first and second, that is how you will become a member, that we can shout out your name if you didn't know. That's how it goes. Okay, so you have got to be subscribed, hit the bell. When the bell go off, and you see the video them, just say what you gotta say. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love you. I love you. We are growing slowly but surely, and we are here. We are working. We are grinding on the cooking journey. I know we are working, but you and I together. I know me alone, you know. All of us together, we are a family. So we are working. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support. Thanks to those who are donating. Thanks to those who have donated already. Thanks to those who have donated more than once. Thanks to those who are considering donating. But hello, the time not right yet. Our donation is PayPal. We're working on another one, but as soon as it comes through, we'll let you know. We have got a post office box, and we're going to leave the link. We're doing that from the other day in the description. In case you want to send me some dinner through the post office, you're on point. Today's post notification shout out, lest I forget, goes to camera girl. Could you please shout out that person?
Ailey Mellis.
Ailey Mellis, I think he's a Trini. Big up yourself. Whether you're my brother, you're my sister, big up Trini Passy, big up on yourself. I said that in the house, okay? My Jamaican peeps, I want to see in the comment section. Big up on yourself. Manners and respect. Debbie from Dongayard, bless, no stress.